Hello, welcome back to the channel of NAM Software Automatic Solution. If you are selling on Instagram but don't know how to reach more potential customers, or have you ever texted manually and found it time-consuming and inefficient? This is a fully automated solution for you. Increase your work performance. This is the main interface of MKT Insta software. The software will help you manage multiple Instagram accounts. Support you raise interactive accounts just like real users. In addition, the software will also support you add proxies to change IP for each account. Avoid the same IP too many accounts and lead to a mass IP scanning platform, you guys. First, I'll go to the text message function. Next, you will enter for yourself the customer user on the platform. The software will also support you can collect large numbers of Instagram username data. You can scan account by keyword, scan followers of an account, or scan following. You will paste those users into the list of username data. Next, you select the message you have added. In the last step, you will set up the configuration of sending messages and set up the delay time between the times sending messages. Keep a few notes as you deploy the software. You should set up a message delay of 30 to 60 seconds or more. You shouldn't send it too fast. Second, you should not repeat the same content more than 80%. Software can support you to add many different content and select many different content. You should use multiple accounts, and each account will send a sufficient amount. According to the process that I developed and researched, every Instagram account can now send between 20 and 30 messages a day. And finally, in order to be more effective, the content of your messages should be valuable content. Do not only sell, but share knowledge, give vouchers, give incentives to customers. MKT Insta software, it is one of the tools that support you extremely effectively. You can send automated messages in bulk, personalize the content of sending messages. You can run multi-threading fast and no need to hold the machine. The software will run automatically for you 24/24. If you are interested in the software, please contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp to below the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the latest videos. Thank you and see you in the next video.